change my profile picture.
Huh?
Nothing. Okay. I gotta clean up my room.
Still, what do you guys think of me saying, let's shove Baby Yoda through a wood chipper and burn the evidence?
Huh? No one likes it. You're hella ugly. I am not ugly, boy.
Still, what do you guys think of me saying, let's shove Baby Yoda through a wood chipper and burning the evidence?
What? I literally hurt you so bad.
You would hurt me so bad, really?
Baby Yoda.
Excuse me, what did you say? I couldn't hear you.
I said I would be so mad at you for like a year.
Oh, really? Because that's actually what I said before.
Oh my lord, why'd you yell it? You yelled, I was crying.
So, really, let's shove Baby Yoda through a wood chipper and burn the evidence.
I will hurt you so bad if you do that, for real.
I'm gonna do it. I'm actually gonna do that, seriously.
Ow. Making my room a little bit more tidy, okay.
Hey, really, hey, I didn't hear you about what you said about, what would you do if I shoved Baby Yoda through a wood chipper and burned the evidence?
Look at that. It doesn't make noise when you touch the bag.
Hey guys, let's shove Baby Yoda through a wood chipper and burn the evidence.
I will hurt you so bad if you do that.
Why? I'm actually gonna buy a Baby Yoda plush and put it on YouTube of me, like, ooh! I'm gonna grab that thing and put it through a wood chipper and burn the evidence!
My baby.
Who else agrees with me on doing that?
Yeah, that's a wax
Hey,
strip.
when I hear something,
What?
if you don't like it, don't be my friend.